Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jenny. I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos every single week here on my channel, and today I have a really fun video, something I haven't done in quite a while. I have a JCREW factory haul. So I'm really excited about this one because I found a lot of really great stuff that I'm really excited to share with you guys, and I haven't done it in quite a minute, so I'm really excited. So a couple things, everything that I'm sharing is linked down below in the description box, easily shoppable for you. Check that out if you want to purchase any of these items. And if you like my content, you want to see more from me, follow me over on Instagram, follow me over on Like to Know It. You can follow me on Facebook if that's your thing, but definitely follow me other places. That's where you're going to get a lot more content from me. And if you're ready to see this JCREW haul, then please keep watching. Okay, this first outfit is just summer perfection. It's so adorable. These jeans, I'm in a 27 petite and they fit pretty good. So this is a size 4. I will say if you get petite, I would size up from your normal size in petite. Like I would normally probably be in a 2 in these regularly, but because I went petite, I went up to a 27, if that makes sense. And they fit great. I will say you can kind of see the pockets in these. So that's something I don't love about white pants, but it's very rare to find some that aren't like that. I love the length on these actually. I think they're really great for summertime. I just paired my little pearl slides with them, and I think this outfit is so adorable. This little top has a beautiful like Swiss dot look to it. It's got some beautiful flutter sleeves here. It's not too low cut in the front, like I wouldn't need a tank on underneath it. I love the look of this little top. I think it's beautiful. It's lightweight but dressed up enough that you could pair it with a skirt or something like that, wear it to work. I just think it's gorgeous. I think it did come in a couple of other colors, maybe not, but I will link it in the description box for you. All in all, this is a great one. Okay, this next top is perfect for a Texas summer. Like, this is a Texas summer top. If I've ever seen one, it is so lightweight. It's like a woven material, and it's very, very lightweight, but not see-through. I'm wearing nude, like a nude bra, and you can't really see. I'm shocked that you can't see the jeans like through the top. The little puff sleeves are perfect. They're not tight or anything. They're going to give you a lot of like breathability, and this pattern is just everything. It's so cute. I love this pink and white floral pattern. I have it with the same jeans and the same shoes, but this top could be perfect for work. You could throw a cardigan over it if it's like cold where you work and then warm outside. This is so, so good. I'm in an extra small, and I would say it fits a little big for an extra small. I mean, if you're super tiny, like it's gonna have, if it's big for an extra small, but for summertime, like I love this. Okay, super pumped about this one. I've been looking for a great pair of wide leg pants, and I'm 5'3" for height reference, so a lot of times it's just not happening for me because of length, and these are perfect. So I'm in an extra small petite in these. I love the pink color. How adorable is this little like blush pink color? It has sort of like a rope drawstring, and you could pair this with tank tops. You could pair this with anything. I paired it here with this little like eyelet sleeve top, and I just like unbuttoned the top, tied it, and like stuck it in there, but I'll show it to you in just a second. But these pants are so good for short girls looking for wide leg pants. I love these. They are like a linen-y type material. I'll leave the link. You can check out all the fabric content there. But they are not like a uber soft material, but I think they're very comfortable. I like the length. I like the look of them. These are great. I'm definitely keeping these for the summertime. Then I just have on my Steve Maddens. And then this top, let me show you. This is the length of this top. This is a bit see-through. I am wearing like a nude bra, and you can't see through it, but it's not completely opaque either. I love the eyelet detail on this. The sleeves are beautiful. This is a great top. I feel like this is so flattering with the like yoke on the top. is just beautiful. These are not elastics. They're not tight on your arm or anything like that. This is such a good find. You can do it like I did, tie it up. You could wear this with skirts. This is a great basic for your wardrobe. Will go with so many different things. I love a good gathered sleeve, so feminine. And so all in all, I love both pieces of this outfit. Okay, these next pants are so adorable. I am loving the like gray and white stripe here. It's very, very fun for summer. Again, I'm in a petite. I'm in a 4 petite in this. I would definitely size up one if you're gonna go petite. That is my personal opinion. I mean, if you're really, really tiny, you know, do what you gotta do, but I do really, really like these pants a lot. I like the length on me. I think they're fun for summer. They are that same material, and these are a little bit closer to the leg. So if you are super, super sensitive, you will not like these. The itch factor is definitely there. They're not bothering me, but they might, like if I were to wear them for a super long time. Now, this top, you guys, I love, it's so funny because this is like just a basic tank top. I love the coverage, the thickness, the quality is so good on this tank top. I recommend this tank top for sure if you are looking for a great high quality basic for your wardrobe. Guys, I can pair this tank top with so many things, and it has such a great high neckline, perfect for work if you're looking for something to put under like blazers or cardigans in the workplace. This one is so good. I'm in a small in this one. I didn't want it to be like super close to the body, so I got a small. You know, it depends on how you want it to fit. And then I have the same sandals on, and I love both of these pieces. I think they're adorable. Okay, this dress is so adorable for the summertime. So this dress, I'm in a 2 petite, by the way, so it is more of a midi length on me than like sometimes midi dresses are like maxi dresses on me. This one does have a pretty full skirt, so keep that in mind if that's not your thing, but I love it. This has the most beautiful like blue and white stripe. It's got these ruffle tiers. I would say I'm almost in between a petite and a regular, because the armholes, while they're not uncomfortable, like it's getting a little close, it is very roomy and beautiful. I really love this dress. And then I paired it with this little straw bag from Forever 21 and my clear heels from Target, and I just think this is the most fun little casual summer dress, perfect for church or brunch. It does have pockets, and although they are weirdly kind of far back, but they're comfortable, and I love this dress, you guys. Super adorable. All right, you guys, that was my JCREW haul for this week. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, liking, subscribing. You guys are the best, and I will see you in my next video.